But let's get to the other big story of the day. What's been playing out legally in the courts in Tamil Nadu as well. It's been a roller coaster day for Vijay in the Madras High Court. A lot of questions about whether his film would release or not. Ultimately, it's not going to release. Today was the day, in fact, when the hearing, when in fact the film was to be released. And let's put the images essentially of the trailer of Jananayagan. That was the film that was going to be released today. Now, there's non-stop ambiguity over what's going to happen. You had essentially the Madras High Court first in the morning directing the Censor Board to issue a UAE certificate for Vijay's final film, Jananayagan. Little did they know that victory would be short-lived, because right after that, a few hours later, the Madras High Court Chief Justice quashed that order. This was because the Censor Board had almost immediately approached the Chief Justice against the single judge bench order. Now, after that, the Madras High Court now, the Chief Justice has made it very clear that at no point can you go ahead and release this film without certification. In fact, the Chief Justice has also pulled up the makers of the film, Jananayagan, saying, why did you announce a release date when certification wasn't given? But remember that earlier today, you had the Madras High Court calling complaints against the film a dangerous precedent, saying just because one member objects, can you stall the film? Now, so you're seeing two contrasting views on this particular issue. But ultimately, today, there's clarity that Jananayagan hasn't been given any certification. It's going to take time. The next hearing in this matter is slated for January 21st. So in the next 10 days, there's going to be a whole lot of questions about what happens. Meanwhile, the Censor Board, remember, has said that they want this to be given to a review committee. So if it goes to a review committee, it's essentially back to square one. What we'd also like to highlight here is that the film's competitor, Parasakti, which is releasing tomorrow, is on track. It's received a UA certificate today. So there were a lot of questions whether this film would get the certification. It has. The green signal for Parasakti has been given after they made 25 cuts in the film. So in one case, the film given a go-ahead will release as planned on January 10th. As far as Jananayagan goes, that's not going to happen. There's still question mark on when actually it can happen.